Hello class 11th, welcome back dear student. This is Sarvan sir as usual. Dear class, this is the video number 4 of chapter number 1, the living world of unit 1, diversity in the living world. In this video we will discuss about the binomial nomenclature, which is very important. So let's see the binomial nomenclature. Binomial nomenclature, this system is proposed by Linnaeus, Carolus Linnaeus, in year 1751 in his famous book Philosophia Botanica. Linnaeus ने Philosophia Botanica नाम की अपनी एक फेमस बुक पब्लिश की, जिसमें इन्होंने बाइनॉमियल नॉमेनक्लेचर के बारे में बताया. What is the meaning of binomial nomenclature? This is a special type of nomenclature in which binomial, see here, bi means two and nomial means naming. There are two naming system, means every organism have their two-word name, means biological name or scientific name. So every individual have their two name, and this name is accepted all over the world, everywhere. One unique name which is given in this binomial nomenclature system in Philosophia Botanica book by Carolus Linnaeus in 1751. So let's have a look. Binomial nomenclature is appropriate and distinct naming system. This is very much appropriate and distinct in all over the world. Actually, in this word there are two words. First one is the generic and second one is the specific. For every organism, the appropriate and distinct naming having one generic name and one their specific epithet. For example, we can say that Mangifera indica. So Mangifera is the genus of the mango plant and indica is the species for the mango plant. So this is two-word system, a two-words naming system, biological naming system, and accepted all over the world. Just see some rules for binomial nomenclature which are very important. Number one, they are generally in Latin and written in italic. The binomial nomenclature are Latin nomenclature and written in italic, means little bit slightly स्लिपरी स्टेज. सीधे सीधे नहीं लिखते इसको, जैसे हम लोग इस तरह से सीधे कोई वर्ड लिखते ऐसे नहीं लिखते, इसको थोड़ा सा तिरछा कर देते हैं. जैसे ये इंडिका लिखा है, सो इंडिका इज रिटन लाइक जस्ट इंडिका, इसको थोड़ा सा हम तिरछा कर रहे हैं. सो दिस विल बी रिटन एज अ इटैलिक फॉन्ट, ओके, विच इंडिकेट देयर लैटिन ओरिजिन. सेकंड पॉइंट इज फर्स्ट वर्ड इज जीनस. The first letter of binomial nomenclature is genus and second word show the species, represent the species. When we write the binomial nomenclature of any organism, either it is plant or animal, so handwritten name should separately underlined, or if printed, so in italic indicate their Latin origin. अगर हम इसको हाथ से लिखते हैं तो सीधे इसके नीचे अंडरलाइन करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है, जीनस के नीचे और स्पीशीज के नीचे. लेकिन अगर इसको हम प्रिंट करवाते हैं, प्रिंटिंग करवाते हैं, तो प्रिंटिंग में इसके फॉन्ट को, जैसे ये इंडिका के फॉन्ट को लिखा गया, इस तरह से थोड़ा सा बेंड कर देंगे. सो दैट इंडिकेट देयर लैटिन ओरिजिन एंड इटैलिक प्रिंटिंग. ओके, this is the rule. Last one is the genus start with the capital letter or capital word, while species start with a small letter. For example, you can see here in Mangifera indica, I written the name, scientific name of mango, in which see the Mangifera M is capital letter, whereas in indica I is small letter, and this is underlined just below because it is a handwritten biological name or scientific name of mango plant. Okay, mango plant. Let us see some more examples. See the example of human beings. What is the scientific name of human beings? So humans are known as Homo sapiens. Okay, Homo. See, H is capital and sapiens में S is small, and this should be underlined. Okay. What is the scientific name for housefly? Scientific name for housefly is Musca domestica. See, in Musca, M is capital letter and domestica D is small letter, and it should be underlined. We follow the rule of binomial nomenclature. Now, one another example, wheat. What is the scientific name of wheat? Scientific name of wheat is Triticum aestivum. Okay, see, in Triticum T is capital letter and aestivum, this is the species, is in small letter. So Triticum aestivum. So just like this, we write the biological name or scientific name of any organism which is accepted all over the world. अब ये वीट की जो स्पीसीज है ट्रिटिकम एस्टिवम, ये इसी नाम से पूरी दुनिया में जानी जाएगी। अमेरिका में, नेपाल में, चाइना में, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, एवरीवेयर वीट को ट्रिटिकम एस्टिवम के नाम से ही जाना जाएगा। हाउस फ्लाई को मस्का डोमेस्टिका ही कहा जाएगा। ओके, बिकॉज द बाइनॉमियल नॉमेनक्लेचर इज यूनिवर्सली एक्सेप्टेड ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड। सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक given by Linnaeus in his famous book Philosophia Botanica in year 1751, which is most appropriate and distinct naming system. So this is all about video number 4. In the next video, video number 5, we will discuss about the taxonomical hierarchy or category. Thank you.